If you are wondering if you can use a non-Apple charger in order to charge iPhone 17, then the answer is yes. In my case, I am using this Xiaomi 33 watts charger, and it works just fine. I can charge iPhone 17 with this charger. So let me quickly connect the charger to the power, and let's use the USB cable to show you that it works. I even use a custom cable. I don't use the original cable as well. And as you can see, we are indeed charging. And that's pretty much it. So you might see in information, however, that you are slow charging your iPhone 17. So you might want to use a faster charger or power adapter in that case if you want to improve the charging speed. I believe the maximum amount of watts that the iPhone 17 can use is 40, at least according to the Apple website. But what is interesting is that on the reverse side of the box, we can find that it is supposed to be 29 watts. So I'm not sure why is that, why there are two different information. But yeah, it is what it is. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.